Welcome friends to this video tutorial on AutoCAD electrical software. In this video tutorial we will see what is the use of isolate object in AutoCAD electrical. Let me have a circle, a rectangle and a square. If I want to concentrate only on a single object in the drawing space, I can do that. That means I want to remove all the other things in the drawing space. That can be easily done by using isolate object in AutoCAD electrical. There are two ways by which you can get isolate object. One is by using the right click, go to isolate and isolate the object. This will isolate the selected object from others. Now select the object and press enter. Now you can see that now all other objects are gone, only we are having our circle. You can apply this concept to anything in our electric circuit. In this way you can put your concentration more into a single circuit. After completing your work, right click, go to isolate and select end isolation. Now you will get all the other things which are in the drawing. This is one way of using isolation. The other way is go to the status bar, enable this one, enable your isolate object. Now select isolate object. Now it will ask you to select the object. After selecting, press enter. Now you can see that now this object is isolated from the others. Now you can concentrate on this object. After completing editing, go to isolate and select end object isolation. This is a very useful key in AutoCAD electrical, which helps you to isolate a particular part from the remaining part of the diagram. Thank you.